Try to let your head down and take a sip. Don't put this between your lips, baby. Ooh, why don't you make yourself comfortable? Ooh, while I go in with this tongue of you. So tell me when you're ready. I'ma speed it up for you just for a second. Just for a second. Then I'ma slow it back down and keep it steady. Ooh, baby.